Good morning. Hello there. How are you? It's so good to see you. We'll sing and be happy that we're all here together again. Good morning, boys and girls. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Welcome back. Happy Monday. So it is the first day in our week, so we know that it is Monday today. So we're going to go ahead and put Monday up on our calendar. Now, Monday starts with the sound. So we're looking for the word that starts with M, Monday. And if today is Monday, what was yesterday? The last day in our weekend when we do not have school. Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. What will tomorrow be? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Excellent job. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Great job. And what month is it? This month is coming to an end soon. It is still March, which also starts with an M. You can go ahead and stand up. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Great job. So when we last talked, it was Friday, March 20th. So what comes after 20? 21. And then yesterday was 22. So what would today be? 20, 21, 22, 23. Good. And our year is 2020. Repeat after me. Today is Monday, March 23rd, 2020. Great job. So on your calendar page, in your calendar notebook, you can color in green, orange, green. So continue your pattern. The 21st is green, and then orange, and then green. You can pause this if you need to. We're going to keep going. Our season had changed last week. Does anyone remember what season it is? Winter is all finished, and it is now a new season. It is spring. Awesome. What's the weather like today? Like today, like today. What's the weather like today? It is definitely rainy and cloudy. I would say rainy. It looks very wet outside. And cold. Remember we talked about how even though spring is usually nicer than winter, there are a lot of rainy days in spring. So you might want to go outside when it's not raining and maybe look for some worms on the ground. Don't touch them though because they're dirty. And maybe see what other things are going on. But if it's rainy, maybe just stay inside for today. So you can go ahead and color rainy on your weather page. And we're going to look at what day of school it is. On Friday, it was 125 days of school. So now it would be 126, because 6 comes next. So we're going to put our 6 in our ones place because we are adding 1 straw. And we are going to count our straws. Remember, the hundredths place has 1 group of 100. The tens place has 2 groups of 10. And right now our ones place has 6 ones. So here we go. 100, 110, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, and 126. So on your purple page, you can trace 126, 1, 2, 6. Good job. All right, let's take a look at our morning message. Just gonna carefully move it over here. morning. Today is Monday, March 23rd, 2020. We have gym. How was your weekend? Make sure you wash your hands. Love, Miss Netta and Mrs. Roman. So, first I want to know all about your weekend. What did you do this weekend? I stayed inside because we're trying to be healthy, right, and avoid germs. So I stayed home and we played some board games. We watched Moana, the movie. I've been watching a lot of Disney movies because I love Disney. We played some board games, some card games, and just kind of relaxed a little bit. I did take a walk outside. It was pretty nice out on Saturday. So I would like to hear what you did. So I'm asking you a question. How was your weekend? How was it? So I end with a question mark because I'm asking you a question that needs an answer. Then I said, make sure you wash your hands. So you might have seen, I sent a message to your parents that it is a virtual spirit week. So those weeks where we dress up different days, that's this week, but from home. So instead of dressing up as something today, we're going to focus on washing our hands because when we wash our hands, we make sure the germs go away. So remember, first step. Who remembers the first step of washing your hands? You wet them with water before you put the soap. So first step, wet them with water. Step 2, add some soap. Not too much, but not too little. Then you scrub, scrub, scrub. And then you rinse them with the water. And then you can dry them with a paper towel or a towel if you're at home. And remember, it's a good idea to sing a song like Happy Birthday or your ABCs to make sure that you're washing them for long enough. Excellent job. And I'm excited about that because it's something that keeps us healthy. So I used an exclamation point. Now on Mondays, we usually have gym. Of course, it might be a little hard to go outside to do something like gym today because it is raining. So maybe you could find a way to maybe just do some yoga inside or do some push-ups, maybe a Jack Hartman video inside, a Dr. Jean video. There's a bunch. Some of those other videos that Miss Caggiano shows you sometimes, the movement videos, they're on YouTube, like Tudita and all of those. So those are good ways that you can have gym when you're inside without running around and getting hurt. Let's look for some sight words. I see good is, we have, this looks like you, but it has an R at the end, so it's actually the word your, so we're not gonna underline that. This is you. Love, Miss Netta, and Mrs. Roman. So those are all words that you should know. So if you want to pause for a minute and just go over them, the underlined ones, you can do that. And we're going to quickly look at some of our letter cards. It'll be as if I'm the star student. So let's see. Which one am I going to pick? I'll pick this. What sound does this letter make? D. D, dog, D. So it is a D, and the sound is D. Great job. Let's pick another one. R, rat, The letter is R and the sound is not R. And one more. Let's see. Good job. V, van. The letter is V and the sound is V. Excellent job. All right, in a little while, I will be sending a video of me reading a book, and I will tell you what to do for your writing assignment today. If you already did some writing this morning, that's fine. Don't worry about it. You can always do 2 things of writing, or just keep the one you did before and don't worry about the one later. So be on the lookout for your writing assignment that I'll tell you about in the video when I read our book for today.